2012. What is a veteran? We hear of veteran newscasters, we hear of veteran police officers, but today we speak of military veterans. Those are the men and women that have served in the armed forces of the United States. Some served during times of war, some during times of peace, but they all served.
We're here today to honor all these wonderful people that are sitting all around us, boys and girls. These wonderful people sacrificed time and everything they had to serve their country.
Oh, God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above. From the mountains to the prairies to the oceans, white with foam. God bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above. From the mountains to the prairies to the oceans, white with foam. God bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America, my home, sweet home.
Every one of our veterans has given to you. The men and women that are here today are only a fraction of the many that have given so much for our great country and our way of life. Without those who have stood before us, freedom that we have today would not be here. I talk a lot about respect, pretty much every single day. About respecting yourself and respecting others. The ultimate respect should be given to all those men and women who have served to give us the freedom to make our world a better place. Many of you have asked me, what is Veterans Day? What are veterans? Well, I hope today you go home knowing exactly who our veterans were and exactly who they are. Our veterans are the people who serve currently right now, or those who have served before us, as you heard from Mr. Doobie, all the way back to the start of our country, to make America the land that it is.